Hello guys, I'm here to provide you with an update regarding the CA exams which are supposed to be taking place in the month of July 2020. So ICI yesterday made an announcement on their website dated 15th of June 2020 about providing an option to the students to get their exams postponed from July to November without any additional charges. So in this situation, as a student, what steps should you take? Quite frankly, it all depends upon where you are currently located and where you have selected your examination center to be. If it is unavoidable for you, then you have no other option but to get your exams postponed till the November of 2020. But if you're located in a city where there are lesser number of COVID cases and you're relatively safer than the others, and it's possible for you to travel to the exam center safely and write the examinations, I would definitely encourage you to go ahead with the same. Reason being, since the exams have been postponed from May till July, the results will be coming out late, and because of that, there are high chances that the November 2020 attempt will also get postponed. Reason being because you'll be delaying your own chances of becoming a CA or clearing inter exams or foundation, starting articleship. That entire chain will be delayed by those many months. So if you give your exams, say in November, you will be clearing in January, and like instead of clearing in July, you are clearing in January. So 6 months gap is already coming. And let's accept this fact that coronavirus is here to stay. Nobody can know for sure that how much time it's going to last. The situation will be like, is this the new normal for us? So we have to make our decisions considering this thing is there. So we have not stopped shopping, we have not stopped our businesses, we have not stopped going to offices. So why should we stop giving our exams? And ICI has already committed to the students that necessary precautions will be taken in the exam centers. So it's better to just get done with these exams, and then if you clear, or God forbid if you do not clear in the month of July, you'll be provided with enough opportunity to give the November attempt also. So then that time gap will also be lesser in the month of November. But to each its own. You know yourself better and how well prepared are you for the exams. We still have 40 to 45 days in the exam, and you can quite frankly work your way accordingly. You can prepare yourself for the exams in July itself. You'll have ample of time. 45 days is not less. You have a good amount of time. You can go ahead with the preparations as normal. Anyway, if you give your exams in the month of November, you'll be frankly wasting these 2-3 months which you will have in spare. So better utilize it. Take it as, even if you're not prepared, even if you're not well prepared for the exams in the month of July, consider it as a test series. You've already paid the fees. So why not just consider it as a mock test paper and give the exams and see how well you perform. And for those cases where it's genuinely not possible for you, that the city has a lot of cases, the exam center is away from your home, it's in some other city, then obviously you don't have any other option. You have to give it in November. So whichever option you choose, you just have one day to make your decision, because the window starts from tomorrow, 17th of June 2020, and it will be only for 3 days. So make your decision very carefully. And for those of you who have already made up their mind about giving their exams in the month of November, just ask yourself whether you'll be doing justice to this 3-4 months time which you'll be left with. Whether you'll be able to focus better, whether you'll be able to not waste this time, because this is a golden time and you cannot afford to waste it, because you don't know when the exam will happen. And one more suggestion which I would like to give you guys, that if you have opted for a single group in July and you're left with another group also, and if you're willing, if you're wishing to postpone it to November, then I would seriously suggest you to give both the groups in November itself, because I don't know if you guys are aware about this, but there are better chances of you passing if you're giving both the groups together. So make your decision accordingly. I hope that I was of some help to you in making this decision. If you have any other questions for me, you can put it in the comment section below. I would make it a point to answer each and every question either in the comment section itself or in the next video. So that's it for now from my end. This is CA Aman Bajaj signing off. Thank you so much, guys.